Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got our silver swag box, so let's dig into it. Check it out. The silver swag box is sent to me free for review. Because we review it, they gave us a code, CAT15, and that will get you $15 off your first box. I will link in this a card to the silver swag playlist that I have. Just for the record, if you watch me, all of the videos that I do, each brand, like silver swag, each brand has their own playlist. If you're ever thinking about purchasing a box but you want to see what they've done in the past or what a lot of their boxes would look like together, I have everything linked in a playlist, and I will link theirs because if you are thinking about it, they do such cool themes. Silver swag started because we were in a time where we weren't seeing our loved ones as much as we perhaps would like to have, and this was a way just to send your love. It's great for you. I enjoy everything that comes in it for myself, but it also makes a really great gift for your loved ones. It's just always products that have a really great age range. You know, I like them, my mom likes them. I'm sure there are things in here my daughter, even my grandkids would like. We've had really cool puzzles in the past that have been fun for the whole family. I should have held it better and pointed it out. It says, "Hello, March. Seeds the day." Seeds the day. So when we open it up, it's always such a fun theme. We have our two cards. One will tell us about the products that we're going to have, and the other card is basically a conversation starter within your house, like what you could talk about over dinner if you're talking to your parents, your grandparents. This is what the fronts look like though, and it says Silver Swag Box presents Seeds the Day, and this one tells us what we're going to have inside. No peeking. And then this one is our question prompts. My garden is the most beautiful masterpiece. Claude Monet. I love Monet. I love the Impressionists. Not the point. Do you enjoy gardening? Why or why not? I do not. Okay. That's a really blanket statement. I don't love outside. That needs a lot of caveats. I enjoy walks in the snow, walks on the beach, vacation-y type things. We live in an area very near the water. I am happy to be out on a boat or at a restaurant sitting on a dock near the water. There are outside circumstances. But I'm not a, hey, let's go hang out at the park for the day kind of girl or a gardening kind of girl. I don't generally like to get my hands dirty. I don't enjoy bugs. The whole gardening experience. I used to keep smaller raised type garden beds. I had some that were like this deep by about 3 or 4 feet wide. But a couple of summers ago, this is so off point, but I feel like I should finish it. But a couple of summers ago, so many of our neighbors started using True Green that I don't want herbs and tomatoes and that kind of thing that have been out there all summer while all of our neighbors are getting poisoned. So I just buy my organic veg somewhere else now. Okay, next question. So no, generally speaking, not a gardener. I do like to do inside herbs and that kind of thing though. How do you like to spend your time outside? On a dock with a glass of wine and a fine restaurant. At the beach. There is not much better than being at the ocean and listening to the waves. I find that sound just to be chef's kiss calming. Okay, so those are the type of questions. Those are great questions to ask like your parents or your grandparents. Did they garden when they were growing up? Do they like gardening? Do they prefer vegetable gardening to flower gardening? I know, when you rapid fire it like that, it sounds kind of like the Inquisition, but when it's just a nice conversation, it's fun things to know. Okay, we're gonna get in the box. Right on top, I have coffee. Café Soluble, freeze-dried. Oh, is it on here in English? Vaniglia Nocciola. Nailed it. I'm sure that was perfection. Basically, this is instant coffee, I think. I love coffee, but is this, I'm sure it's not decaf. This seems to all be in a foreign language, so let's see what the card says. Café Soluble, vanilla and hazelnut instant coffee. Mix this delicious hazelnut and vanilla instant coffee with hot water. The perfect drink for your new mug. Oh, we must have a mug in there. Okay, we're gonna open it because I do coffee. Oh, but that smells so good. Oh my goodness. It is different looking than most decaf coffees I've seen. I'm old enough to remember when people did decaf all the time. My best friend's mother lived on decaf coffee. I don't know how she did it, but this is a lighter brown and bigger chunks. So, oh, and I just made a heck of a mess. It smells fantastic. Mostly I can smell the hazelnut and it smells really good. All right, back from cleaning up my little mess. Next out, right on top, we have a candy bar. Hammond's Mint Chocolate Chip, dark chocolate with mint cream center. That is what that looks like. Yummy, yummy. I love the Hammond's. I was gonna say chocolate, but their candies in general, I can't smell it. Haven't even eaten lunch yet, so I don't think I will try it, but I am sure it is going to be a delight. I like dark chocolate if it's not too dark, and I love mint chocolate, anything. Mint chocolate ice cream is probably my favorite. The paperwork says Hammond's Mint Chocolate Chip Dark Chocolate Bar. Take the herbs out of the garden and into dessert with this decadent chocolate bar. Next out, oh, I don't know what we have. We have Wasabina mustard greens. Cultivate and eat. Well, I think we've, unless they can be done inside, discussed how this is gonna land here at my house, but I will find them a good home. Let's see what the paperwork says. The paperwork says, noted, cultivate and eat herb kit. Are mustard greens herbs? Can I do these inside? Read on, Kathrin. Packed in the traditional style of Japanese rice bags, this kit includes potting mix, seeds, and instructions to grow your own herbs. Are mustard greens considered herbs? Can I do these inside? I have so many questions. Wasabina mustard greens have a spicy wasabi-like flavor. I love that. Pick young leaves to use in salads or as a garnish. When mature, eat stir-fried or sauteed, cold tolerant, so that implies I'm putting them outside. Wasabina thrives in cooler seasons. I will have to find these a lovely home with somebody that I know that is an outside person. Okay, next out, have a bottle. Let me get it out. It's gonna make a lot of noise. We have a spray bottle for those of us who are indoor gardeners. I mean, I guess you could use that outside, but I think indoor plants when I think about that. The back of this says, feel the garden spice. And then this side says that it is a 500 ml spray. That is fun and a nice way to take care of your garden. Technically, you could probably put anything in here. It says, Time Concept Plant Spray Bottle. Help your garden grow with this stylish and convenient spray bottle. I would argue that if you're like an outdoor gardener, that's probably not how you're doing it. Next out, oh, I have a book. Oh, menu planner. That is so cool. And it's like hard backed. It's from Heatherly Chan. Oh, and I love this. I am a meal planner and I have a book, but it's gonna run out. And I love that this is the kind you can tear off. So this side says meal plan and it has the days of the week and you can just put the meals that you're planning for that week. And I do that even though it's just my husband and I find like with Weight Watchers, it helps me stay on track so much better if I have a plan. And then I shop, and this is the week of, but I probably won't fill that out. And you make your grocery list over here and you can just do it all week and then rip it off and take it with you. This will 100% get used. I love this. You guys know I'm a writer. I like to write things down. I'm trying to transition. I have started saying, Alexa, make my grocery list, and then telling her things, and then it's on my phone too. Mostly I then write it down right before I go to the store, but instead of having to grab a pen or paper every time when I'm in the kitchen cooking, I can just talk to Alexa. Okay, apparently I'm talkative today. Sorry about that. This is from Ecolo. I think we've had things from them before and I've enjoyed them. Menu Planner Folio. Be ready to seize the day with this menu planner and shopping list combo. Love it. Ooh, rosemary, garlic, hazelnuts. And it is from Floral. Heart Healthy. 2 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, vitamins E and B. We have 4 ounces. That's what they look like. They sound delicious. The paperwork says Floral Foods rosemary, garlic, hazelnuts grown in Oregon. These nuts are a healthy and delicious savory snack. I think of hazelnuts in my life as as sweet. Only because the minute you say hazelnut, my brain hears you say Nutella. So it's a personal problem. But we will absolutely give these a try. That sounds delicious. It is too early in the morning here for me to think about eating a rosemary garlic hazelnut. And I think last out, yep, down under here. Oh, this must be our mug, and it's actually a travel cup. This is so pretty. It is plastic, and it's got the travel lid that pops up, has a nice hole, has the nice lip. I love when I have this lip on it, so, I mean, I'm not a drooler, but I learned this in a FabFitFun video once. I spent far too long trying to pop a, often they screw. It is double walled. It will help keep whatever you put in it hot or cold. I like them, especially in the summer, even for cold things. Well, I have my Stanleys now, but it's because they don't sweat. So you can put your ice in it, your cold drink in it, set it down on a table with no fear of it sweating and making a puddle wherever you go. The beauty of these are, I'm getting ready to have the girls, I don't know when you're watching this, I have the girls for a whole week, so I'm trying to pre-record a few videos today. When I have the girls here, I love to have these kind of cups. So coming and going from in and out of the house, I have several of these around that I just love to have around for them to use. So this is really, really pretty. In theory, you could make your coffee in your new cup. Very cute. Our paperwork says that this is from Steel Mill and Company. We have had, again through FabFitFun, several of their planner type things, and I have always enjoyed them. I love the florals that they do. I should have known when I saw this was them. It is a 16-ounce mug, and it features a screw-on spill-proof lid and an adorable floral design. I agree. A cute theme for March as we come into spring. We got these really cute 16-ounce mug. Maybe my favorite, the meal planner slash grocery list maker, the rosemary garlic hazelnuts, the garden plant spritzer. You can spritz whatever you'd like to spritz. The wasabina mustard green seeds, the Café Solubile instant coffee that is vanilla hazelnut. That sounds delicious. And the Hammond's mint chocolate chip bar. I just put those back in the box for the flat lay, but I did such a great job. I really feel like I want to show you guys. Isn't that lovely? Such a fun spring box. I will put all of the information. You can go over and check it out with Cat15. You will get $15 off of your first box. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here, and I hope I see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so they'll let you know when we put more videos up, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.